Hi. Topic of this article: what your nursing personal statement should say about you. Published on the www.saedge.com website. Editing and proofreading service for applications for admissions to college and graduate school. We give $25 with the promo code BEST EDITING. So, let's move on to maintenance. If you are preparing to apply to an undergraduate or graduate program in the nursing or related fields, it is probably time to begin planning what your nursing personal statement should say about you. The purpose of the nursing personal statement is to make you stand out from the other applicants. Many applications list the same qualifications and experience as yours plus similar career goals. Creating a nursing personal statement that is notable for its unique content requires a great deal of preparation and planning. Nursing personal statements need to be meticulously organized, well written, and focused on highlighting the applicant's characteristics and qualifications. What should the personal statement nursing say about you that will help convince the admissions committee that you are a qualified candidate for the degree program? The nursing personal statement should highlight the reasons you want to attend nursing school. Often the inclusion of a story which shows, rather than tells, your reasons for choosing the field is an excellent way to communicate to the reader that your interest is genuine. The nursing personal statement should provide insight into the applicant's reasons for pursuing the degree program, including long-term goals, motivation, experience, and commitment to caring for others. Personal statement nursing essays. Another role of the nursing personal statement is to provide the admissions committee with an enhanced profile of the candidate. The committee wants to learn more about the applicant beyond the standard application materials, which usually include transcripts, test scores, a resume, and letters of recommendation. The personal statement nursing is your opportunity to emphasize the special traits which make you an excellent candidate for the program. Other important aspects of this career field are the level of patient care and medical training which is required of nurses and nursing-related professionals, highlighting the applicant's practical experience, acquired through work, internships or volunteer opportunities, relevant academic interests, and your reiteration of specific long-term career goals are important components of the effective nursing personal statement. Finally, your nursing personal statement should stress your individual characteristics which qualify you for admission, your passion for nursing, and your preparation for the program. The nursing personal statement should note your strengths and desire to be a nursing professional succinctly and clearly. The nursing personal statement should say that you are an ideal candidate for the program. End of article. Remember the promo code and get help with editing and proofreading documents with saedge.com. Bye.